Hey there, it's Matt here with a 911R on Brake Trailer Avant-Garde. We have this 56 100M Austin-Healey that's live right now. I just want to go around and talk about this car. I got this car several years ago and we represented it and then sold it to a collector in the Midwest. Then we just took it back in trade, and so I'm very familiar with this car. This car was owned originally by two guys out of Oregon who are Healey experts. One guy, I've been to his house. He has a huge, he actually has a whole house of just Healey parts. Ken is pretty amazing. Then the other gentleman is really involved in the Healey Club. I think he actually writes the Healey newsletter. And this was their personal car, and went through and did lots of stuff to it. We've gone through the Healey identification guide on it, and we've posted all sorts of details and stampings on it, down to like little stampings like here on the moldings here, the stamping for the hood, the correct straps, all the Healey registry stuff. This car, we also posted the British Heritage Certificate and the 100M Registry Certificate. All those things are, especially the 100M Registry, is very important to have on a car like this. The 100Ms were really, you could talk about it to compare to like a modern GT3 of the day. This was a track-ready car that you could roll off the showroom and go race in club events or national events or world events. And these cars were quite competitive for the time. They're a predecessor to the Shelby Cobras and other stuff. I mean, these were very special cars of the time. They had special brakes, they had special engine components, the louvered hood, the fold down speed windscreen. This is really cool. I think this is just something that really sets these cars apart. If you haven't driven a Healey 100 series, there's no comparison to them. They're just very lightweight, very agile feeling, great power. They're night and day above a 3000 in my opinion. Coming around the car, you can see how nice the car is. It's got the Wolton wool interior, the cocoa mats, leather seats with red piping. The top is very nice on the car. All the gauges. You got the 100M registry plaque over there on that side. Very cool stuff. I'll open up the trunk here so you guys can see inside here. The stamping is on the hinge here, like it's supposed to be. The windshield wipers, by the way, we have them off since the windshield is folded down. They're here. The nice mat in the rear trunk. Coming around the outside, you can still see, it's really nicely done. We've posted a lot of photos of the underside of the car so you can see how nice it is. Yeah, you can really just see this car's just really nicely finished off. I love the cream with the red. Very classic British interior. Let me open the bonnet. Again, this leather strap is correct and per spec. So it is a replacement block, but it's built to all the 100M specs. Got the correct air box and carburetors. I'm sure everything when they did it was done just right. It does run out very strong. We'll be posting up the drive video here real shortly, but you can see just everything is correct and how it should be. Any questions, please let us know. I'm happy to get any details or answer any questions. If you need a shipping quote, I'm happy to assist with that. Or if you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, I'd be happy to talk about that as well. But very rare example, 100M, real special car. Let us know. Thank you. Good luck.